Come. Come on, Patience. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Right here, Patience. Hey. Good. Behind our shelter. And let's just loop her around again. And get her to go behind the horse shelter. Come. Come on. Oh, you in the bathroom quick. All right. Walk on. Come on. Come. Good girl. Good girl. You're okay. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Say hi to Mommy. Say hi to your mommy, your new mommy. Tell her you're doing really well. Oh yeah, you're a good girl. We're going to miss you around here. All these guys, we're going to miss Patience. Say hi to Josie and Karen. Actually, you've got two new mommies. Hey, Patience? Should we go for a little bit more of a walk? Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Oh, you're so pretty.